Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Rivian charging settings from app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Rivian charging settings from the app, first, open the Rivian app on your device. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the charging section. Tap on charging settings to access your current configurations. Look for the option labeled Manage Charging Settings and select it. Here, you will see various options related to your charging preferences. To uninstall or remove a specific setting, choose the setting you wish to delete. Confirm your selection by tapping the Delete or Remove button. You may be prompted with a confirmation message. Read the message and tap Yes to confirm the uninstallation. Once confirmed, the specific charging setting will be removed from your app. To ensure the process was successful, return to the charging settings page. Check to see if the uninstalled setting is no longer listed. If everything looks good, you can exit the settings menu. Close the app and reopen it to check for any potential updates. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled the Rivian charging settings from the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.